What's happening, YouTube? I know it's been a while. One thing that makes a big difference, sometimes you gotta go back and redo your sound deadening. Make sure that you're all the way sealed in with this IB stuff, because it's gonna make every bit of a difference when you redo it. You don't think about it, you're bumping your music, your bass hitting, everything, you're riding around, have a good time. Bass can destroy, can shake things apart. So sometimes you gotta redo it, or if like you did a quick fix like me and you use cheaper deadening, and then you gotta go back and use better. Just gotta do better for yourself. Make sure you get all up in there, seal it up right, make sure you get your money's worth. It's your system, you want it to play right. You gotta get up in there and fix that. I had to get some hush mat. That's what I had been using. It seals better, works better for me. I'm not layering it up. I'm just making sure it's suffice to what I need. It's all the little things, the details that make a difference. Still going strong with this FI IB V2.3.15. Still going strong. Just gotta get there, make sure everything's right, and then you might find yourself doing a little retuning while you've been playing around with your settings when they were set right? You find yourself changing stuff, you then go check your system out, and then you notice, hey, I got some gaps, So then you got to retune everything again, tighten up, tighten up. All right, y'all, holler at y'all later. This is just a little short one for you. Here you go.